Let's start by reading Luke 23, 32 to 43. Eric, if you could start, and then we'll read a verse each going around the table.
Okay. 2 other men, both criminals, were also led out with him to be executed.
Jesus answered him, "Truly I tell you, today you'll be with me in paradise."
So, what difference was there in the attitude of the 2 criminals?
It's so strange how 2 people can be so different. At the last minute, one could recognize that this was Jesus, the Son of God. And that one was so blinded that he didn't realize it was so different.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree. One criminal has such amazing faith.
I agree. I also think faith there is a key word. One criminal has so much faith that he knew that he'd be forgiven, regardless of how big a sin was.
Yeah.
And then we have the other guy who is hanging there alongside him, and he has no faith whatsoever. He does not believe Jesus, doesn't think he's the Son of God.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.